Hey, what's up YouTube, this is Sunny from Ultimate Tech Review. Today I will be unboxing and reviewing Mivi braided USB cables. So let's get started. So as we can see that the packaging is very simple. At the back we have all the specifications and contact information. Let us quickly open up the box and take a look inside. So inside the box we have USB cable itself and a user manual. So that's pretty much inside the box. Let's just keep that aside and take a look at the USB cable. It has 10.5 mm sleek connector with aluminum shell, which looks pretty cool. The cable is tough nylon braided and it is tangle-free wire, and the length of this cable is 6 feet long. It has an output of 2.4 amps, so it can be used in any devices with fast charge capability, and it can also sync data. If you are looking ahead to buy this product, you should go for it. I'll be providing the link in description. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.